Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. While designing your kitchen, it is very important to position water sources in accordance with Vastu. Water elements are an important part of the kitchen. Their position in the kitchen affects your health and wealth. Water has a crucial importance in Vastu Shastra. It is one of the Panch Tattva, means 5 elements of nature like air, fire, earth and space. When these 5 elements are placed as per Vastu rules, it stays in balance and offers many benefits to the occupants of the house. Vice versa, if they are placed randomly, it offsets the balance and thus invites several issues instead. Water plays an important role in deciding the kind of vibes and energies that enter your house. In this video, we will tell you very crucial rules for placing water elements as per Vastu.
Any source of drinking water like water filters, purifiers and pitchers should be placed in the northeast direction of the kitchen. Water storage should also be in this direction. If this is not possible, keep them in the east direction. The southeast corner, which is the direction of fire, is not ideal for placing water dispensers. Also, ensure you keep the water dispenser away from the gas stove. Do not keep water dispensers outside the kitchen as it can cause skin diseases or depression. Regularly clean the dispenser and replace it with fresh water to ensure good health. Avoid placing overhead water tank exactly above the gas stove. Repair any dampness or leaks from tanks, especially in southwest, immediately. Overhead tank in the kitchen should be installed in southwest or west direction only because south is inauspicious corner of house where heavy things can be placed to equate the energies. Overhead tank in this direction balances energies to bring health, prosperity and all-round peace. If those areas are inaccessible, you should place the tank in the south or northwest direction. However, if placed in the northwest, ensure that the size of the tank is as small as it can be. You should also place it at a distance of 3 feet from the northwest corner. Avoid overhead tank in northeast as it leads to unnecessary expenses and losses. The kitchen sink should be in the far corner of the northeast direction as it is considered the ideal location. The water taps should not be placed in the corner of the 2 counters. There should not be any leaking tap in the kitchen. This affects the flow of money. Water should not be wasted in any part of the house. If there is any dishwasher in the kitchen, it should be placed in the northwest direction. Avoid keeping kitchen sink and cooking stove closer to each other because fire and water are not compatible to each other. Cooking stove and refrigerator should not be placed next or opposite to each other as the stove is a fire element and refrigerator is a water element. If they are in such a position, separate them by a partition or move them a little bit.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.